I'm not a trainer, but I love to work out. I really appreciate the compliments that people have given me about my physique over the years because I'm so proud of myself for staying in shape. People are always asking me, what do you do? And how do you stay motivated in the gym? And to be honest, it's hatred. Hatred gets me up in the morning and is my instant pre-workout. You see, when you've been done dirty so many times in your life, you build up some bionic energy source that just powers you through the day. And powers you through anything, to be honest. Because I could have beat your ass, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna choose to take it out in the gym. I'm choosing to bring that anger to the gym. I'm choosing peace. I'm choosing therapy. Bring your anger to the gym.